Hello everyone, this is Raj and you all are watching the Civil Network YouTube channel. As you all know, practicing multiple choice question on a daily basis is extremely useful for any aspirants preparing for civil engineering competitive examination. So for them we are coming up with an amazing test your knowledge quiz series. Let's see how much you will score.
Correct answer is cannot remain at rest under action of any shear force. Correct answer is Gauss pressure. Correct answer is streak line. Correct answer is surface tension. Correct answer is lies below the center of buoyancy. Correct answer is frictionless and incompressible. Correct answer is all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Correct answer is 2000 to 4000. Correct answer is maximum at the center and minimum near the walls. Correct answer is viscosity. Correct answer is as the square of the radial distance.
Please like and share the video. Also subscribe to the channel for more civil engineering MCQ quizzes.
Correct answer is 64 by RE. Correct answer is specific gravity of liquid. Correct answer is conservation of mass. Correct answer is 1 by 3 to 1 by 2. Correct answer is all of the above. Correct answer is positive. Correct answer is directly proportional to h to the power 3 by 2. Correct answer is 0. Correct answer is 0 at the pipe wall. Correct answer is absolute pressure minus local atmospheric pressure. Correct answer is 1.71 product CD product L product h to the power 3 by 2. Correct answer is steady flow. Correct answer is wake.